To help you wear your sound processor securely and safely, a range of optional retention accessories are available. The Cochlear Kanso headband can be used to help hold your sound processor in place when you or your child are playing sport or exercising. To fit the headband, first open it and lay it flat with the anti-slip section facing you and the longer pocket lines at the top. The left blue pocket is for the left sound processor, and the right red pocket is for the right sound processor. Open the correct pocket for your sound processor. Insert your sound processor into the correct pocket, making sure that the back of the sound processor with magnet is facing toward you. The bottom of the processor, straight edge, goes in first. If you have two processors, place your second sound processor into the correct pocket. Next, place the headband on the head, making sure that the anti-slip section is against your forehead. Your processor is over your implant, and the headband fits firmly. Press firmly to ensure that the hook and loop fastener is joined securely. For extra peace of mind, you can attach a cochlear safety line to your sound processor and clip it onto your clothing. This will reduce the risk of losing your processor if it becomes detached from your head. There are 3 options for securing the sound processor: a clip for children, a clip for adults, and a short loop option for use with a cochlear hair clip. To attach a safety line, put the safety line connector in the socket of your sound processor and press until it clicks into place. Then, use the safety line clip or hair clip to attach your sound processor to your clothing or hair. To remove a safety line from your sound processor, place your thumbnail in the slot at the base and lift it from the socket. To attach a cochlear software pad, peel off the single backing strip on the adhesive side of the pad. Then, attach the pad to the back of the sound processor and press firmly. Next, peel off the 2 semicircle backing covers on the cushion side of the pad. And place your sound processor on your head as usual. For more information, visit our website.